Hey guys, today we're showing you a quick and simple fix for a very common problem in funk rhythm guitar playing. A lot of my students I see making this mistake, which means probably a lot of you are struggling with this as well. And that is when playing single note strummed attack. So what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to play over a backing track in E, and I'm going to demonstrate kind of the poor technique I see, and then I'm going to play it correctly, and then I'll come back and break it down and show you the quick fix. All right, guys, you probably noticed there was a massive difference between the tone and feel on that first pass and the second pass. Now, in the first pass, I was trying to do what I see a lot of my students doing, and probably a lot of you out there do this as well, and it's just not following through. You're only really hitting a couple strings. I'm really aiming for this D string at the 7th fret here, and you may be hitting the D string muted, that G string, and maybe the B string, and you're getting this kind of tone. Right, something like this. Very clunky, uneven kind of tone. It's because you have all that resistance from the strings. If you want to get an even tone, what you need to do is you got to follow through and really play with some intensity. And you're going to end up, if you're doing this, all the way up down here through your strum, following through. Don't let those strings get in your way. Right here. Look at where I end up, about an inch or so below the high E string. That is it. That is all you need to do in order to get that better feel and tone on your single note strummed attack. Versus let's take a look at a side view here so you can very clearly see the difference in the technique. Now here was what I was doing at the first pass. Something like that. And here is the follow through. Look at that, I'm ending all the way down here. You have to force your way through the strings. You can't let the strings get in your way. You got to play with intensity and follow through. Another thing you may notice at the side view here is I'm coming in at an angle with the strum there. I'm not kind of coming in from the top, and this is another problem I see with a lot of my students, which kind of results in a lot of unwanted open strings ringing out. If I'm playing this skank type stuff, this single note strummed attack, I'm usually going to come in at an angle, aim for the string that your finger is on. If I'm fretting that D note there on the G string, I'm aiming for that G string, following through, making sure the B and high E are muted with that index finger there, while at the same time muting the D string with the tip of that first finger. Okay, so that's some important technique when it comes to right hand in funk rhythm. I really hope you enjoyed the lesson, guys. If you were struggling with this technique before, I'm sure this is going to help you out. Be sure to come by TastyGuitar.com. Check out all the courses I have available there and all my TrueFire courses as well. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.